Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox Mokobara 30-liter transit backpack. This is best for everyday use and for short 1 or 2 days trips. And by the way, this is not a promotion video. This bag is water resistant and made with vegan leather and reverse coated polyester. This is a premium quality bag with stylish look. And here is a flat compartment with lockable zippers and slip pockets. You can easily keep clothes for 2 days trips in this compartment, and you can keep other accessories in these pockets. In this we also have a retractable key holder. On both sides we have 2 hidden water bottle compartments. You can keep 1 liter water bottle easily. You can also keep a small umbrella. And this is a tech compartment with lock strap. You can keep your laptop here securely, and it fits up to 16 inches of laptop. And we also get 5 pockets here. We can keep iPad, books, chargers and other accessories. And it have a silicone grab handle and padded shoulder straps with adjustable buckles. And finally, the price of this 30-liter bag is 6,500, whereas the 20-liter bag is 5,500. You can check out the product link by clicking on view products and the description below.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe.